Good morning, everybody. So today I'm here in Delaware and I'm actually going to be doing something really interesting. I've done this for the past 2 years. So I'm going to go on a seal watching trip out here in the Delaware Bay. So this seal watching trip was with Cape Water Taxi and Tours, and it left near the Lewes Ferry terminal. When we left the dock, it was about 35 degrees. So the first stop of the trip was to take us out to these rocks called the icebreakers. They were put there many years ago to break ice in the bay and make it safer for ships. But that was the very first place that we started to see seals basking on these rocks. So this boat tour had a naturalist along for the ride, and he gave us a lot of different information about the gray seals and the harbor seals and explained how this is the southernmost colony on the east coast of these seals, and they come into our area for the winter months, and it's just so exciting to be able to see seals here in Delaware. Another thing we learned is that you can't get too close to the seals. There's federal laws protecting them, and especially some of the seals, it would be pup season for them. And if the boat got too close, you could scare the mother seal away, and then the pup wouldn't get to nurse and get their nutrition. So I really appreciated that the vessel that we were on, Cape Water Taxi and Tours, kept that distance to make sure that we didn't disturb the seals with our presence. When you go on a trip like this, you really want to bring your binoculars and your zoom lens to get some great views while keeping your distance. So it was really fun to see the seals moving about on the rocks, and if you saw that one just completely fell from one rock to the lower rock and then splashed in the water. So we first started with the icebreakers, and then we went to the outer breakwater wall, and I could not believe how many seals were on that outer breakwater wall, and some of them were quite high up on the rocks, but I guess it's easy for them to do that when it's high tide. We were out observing them at low tide. So the vessel that we went out on had two different levels, and the bottom level was enclosed. So if you wanted to be warmer, a lot of people would stay down there and look through the big glass windows to observe the seals. I had dressed really warm in layers, so I stayed up on the top deck just to get better views. So in addition to seeing the seals, we were able to see a number of different birds and ducks while we were making our way to and from the rocks. We were able to see both lighthouses in this area. So this is a really great wintertime activity if you'd be interested in doing seal watching and you find yourself in the Delaware area. It's cold, but it's a great adventure. Let me know in the comments. Is this a type of trip that you would take? Would the cold hold you back, or would you get out there to look at wildlife? Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.